Today, we are making a simple Daal Makhni recipe. Ingredients: lentils 1 cup black gram urad dal, and 1 cup kidney beans, 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon asafoetida hing, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, kasuri methi dried fenugreek leaves, 2 to 3 cups water, fresh coriander leaves for garnish, tomato puree 1 cup. Instructions: soak lentils, rinse, and soak lentils for 30 minutes. Cook lentils, pressure cook lentils with 2 cups, water, salt, and 1 TBSP oil for 3 to 4 whistles. Make masala: heat butter and oil in a pan, add cumin seeds and asafoetida hing. Add aromatics, add ginger garlic paste and saute until golden. Add spices, add red chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder and kasuri methi. Mix well. Add tomato puree and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Combine, add cooked lentils to the masala mixture. Mix well. Simmer, cook on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Serve, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot. Tips: use canned kidney beans for convenience. Adjust spice levels to your taste. Add cream or yogurt for a richer flavor. Serve with basmati rice, naan or roti. Nutrition facts: calories 250, protein 15 grams, fat 10 grams, carbohydrates 30 grams, fiber 5 grams,